time. All right. Welcome. Morning. How are you doing?
Morning.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Hello there. Well, this is Dave. I'm Mike. We're from Royal Charter. You know that. We're here to tell you a few things this morning that will hopefully titilize your senses and. Sorry.
Don't direct that question, that comment at me, please.
No, it's going to actually, hopefully inform you and entertain you a little bit too.
Yes, that's what we hope.
So Fannie Mae is coming up with some changes. You couldn't wait, right? December 11th.
December 11th, what happens, Mike?
Well, they're updating DU. All of you know DU is a desktop underwriter. That's where we get our automated approvals, and they're coming out with an update on the 11th that's going to change several things, which are?
Well, for one thing, right now, if you have a conventional loan and you're trying to qualify for that loan and you had a foreclosure, you have to be past that foreclosure at least 4 years, right? Mm-hmm. Everybody knows that? FHA, 3 years. That's not changing. Conventional, 4 years is changing to?
7 years.
7 years.
That's 8.
Okay, I'm worthless without my HP 12C. I need my coat.
Oh, man.
No, so that's one change. The other change is revolving debt.
Oh, yeah, okay. If you have a client that has let's say a car payment, and it's got 6 months to go, 8 months to go,
Yep.
right now, we can exclude that debt from their total
Yep.
debt-to-income calculation.
Just be able to throw it away.
And because they say, well, it's going to be a couple months before their first payment starts, they've got enough money in the bank, they can handle that extra payment even if their debt ratio is too high. But
Right.
starting December 11th, what happens?
We have to count it, no matter what.
You got interrupted on it. Can you
Sorry.
turn that thing off, please?
Please turn off the
Thanks.
cell phone. Thank you.
So what happens is, that means that somebody that maybe today has a car payment, and we ran the automated underwriting, and they had a debt ratio of 45%, and they're approved, but December 12th or 11th, we have to count that car payment, they may not be approved.
Well, Fannie Mae actually has to count it. Don't blame us, okay? It's Fannie Mae's thing.
Thank you.
Right.
Yeah, we're not the bad guys here.
Right. And
We're
then,
just the messengers.
I just got a call actually, and the market this morning is not doing too well. It's in the tank again, about 50 basis points, 44 basis points actually, which doesn't mean a lot, but it just means, what are rates doing, Dave?
Rates are going up.
Pretty radical, a lot of volatility.
From about November 3rd, that was the peak of the bond market, the mortgage bond market. Since that time, bonds have gone down in price, which means rates go up.
Yep.
We've moved about 0.5% from that point. And that's not a big deal yet, but it's getting to be one. On a $100,000 loan, that's going to make a difference in your payment of about $30.
Yep.
Most people will still qualify. I have a client right now, though, if her payment moves from 701 to 702, she's crying and she can't handle it. So some people, it makes a big difference.
It's those ones that are on the bubble that, we tell you they're qualified for really 145, and then you maybe write an offer for 148, and it's like we're trying to get them in the box. Maximum debt ratios I've been seeing have been kind of tightening up at around 47% on DU.
Don't you love it when you've done that shoehorn and we get them right there for $150,000, and what do they find? A house for $155,000.
Yeah.
Now we've got to get the big shoehorn out and try to make it work. Well, that's easier to do today than it's going to be in about a week. When those changes go into effect.
Yeah.
Remember, that's just for conventional loan changes. The FHA stays the same.
Absolutely.
So it's going to be a big part of our
FHA
business.
loan limits have been extended, however, so Fresno County will still remain
$381,250.
That's right. So no changes in the loan limits, okay?
When was the last time you sold a $380,000 house?
FHA.
A couple hands go up.
Yeah, those are good FHA loans. Well, that's all I have.
That's all we got. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Good luck.